In this video, I will show you how to use coupons on Temu. So in order to do that, head over right here, and as you can see, we have in here a lot of offers. Like for example, we have free shipping, price adjustments. So you will be automatically getting these coupons and offers. You can also go right here to the You page and then click on this coupons and offers option, and then you should be able to see it right around here. So if you want, you can add a new coupon by just typing the coupon code and clicking on the apply option right here in order to apply it. So once you want to check out something, like for example, let's check out this one, it will be added to your cart. Now click on this right here on your cart. And then once it's been added to there, you can also just shop in here. And as you can see, we have a special price on your cart. You should be able to see this. Now, if you check this out, as you can see, we have some kind of 40% off for this order.